Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of an anencephaly with a pregnancy of about 16 weeks. You can see the fetus, placenta is posteriorly attached, and you will see the missing cranial vault of the fetus. Anencephaly is the absence of large part of brain and skull. This is normal ultrasound, fetal ultrasound performed at 16 weeks of gestation. The development of brain and nervous system begins early in fetal development. Anencephaly is one of the most common neural tube defects. Neural tube defects are birth defects that affect the tissue that becomes the spinal cord and brain. Now you can see the cranial vault is missing, the head of the fetus, and only the prominent eyes of the fetus are visible with face of the fetus. Anencephaly occurs early in the development of unborn baby. It results when the upper part of the neural tube fails to close. The exact cause is not known. Possible causes of anencephaly includes environmental toxins, low intake of folic acid by the mother during pregnancy. In nearly all fetuses with anencephaly, the movements are qualitatively abnormal. They are forceful, jerky, and character and are of large amplitude. You can see fetal cardiac activity is normal. Anencephaly is a lethal diagnosis incompatible with sustained life. It has been understood that if an anencephalic infant is live born, fetal demise will soon be imminent. Several studies have reported anencephaly to be 100% lethal in the first years of the life. Anencephaly is a lethal congenital anomaly that can be detected on ultrasound as early as 11 weeks of gestation. If some amounts of neural tissue is present, the condition is termed exencephaly. Polyhydramnios is usually associated with neural tube defects. No treatment option is available for anencephaly. You can see the fetal movements are forceful, jerky. The limbs seems to be echo-mecho-normal. Now you can see the lower limbs. Anencephaly can theoretically be diagnosed as early as 18 weeks. However, it can be missed in the first trimester. There is 100% accuracy in the second trimester for this diagnosis by ultrasound. One study showed sonography alone was 97% sensitive and 100% specific in diagnosing an open neural tube defects. Now you can see the duration of the pregnancy is about 16 weeks. Now the lower limbs are visible. Fetal cardiac activity and movements are visible. Placenta is posteriorly attached. Now you can see the fetal movements. So by ultrasound, the appearance will resemble Mickey Mouse appearance. Additionally, the measurements from the top to the head to the rump, that is crown rump length of the fetus, is significantly reduced in affected fetuses in the first trimester. You can find a number of videos about anencephaly on my channel in the playlist named anencephaly. Some important information is given in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.